Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a super useful kitchen gadget, the 0.5 seconds instant read digital meat thermometer, plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision. If you enjoy grilling, baking, or cooking meat perfectly every time, this thermometer can make a huge difference in your kitchen. One of the standout features is the ultra-fast 0.5 second instant read speed. With a professional thermocouple sensor, it delivers extremely quick and accurate temperature readings, so you can check doneness almost instantly without overcooking your food. Accuracy is another big advantage. The thermometer offers plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision, helping you cook steak, chicken, fish, or even candy with confidence and consistent results. It also features a large auto-rotating LCD display, making it easy to read the temperature from any angle. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, the screen adjusts automatically so you can clearly see the reading while cooking. The thermometer comes with a long stainless steel probe and temperature lock function, allowing you to safely check temperatures while keeping your hands away from heat. Cleaning is simple thanks to its waterproof design, so you can rinse it under running water after use. It also includes motion-sensing auto wake and sleep, which helps save battery life by turning the device on when you pick it up and off when not in use. Overall, the 0.5 seconds instant read digital meat thermometer, plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision, is a fast, accurate, and easy-to-use tool that makes cooking safer and more precise for grilling, roasting, baking, and candy making. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.